Distracted driving. A truck driver in Arizona, allegedly looking at pictures on his phone, crashes into police cars and emergency vehicles, killing one officer. That driver has now been charged with murder, and ABC's Lindsay Davis has the story.
Watch closely. That's 33-year-old truck driver Jorge Espinoza on the left of the screen, his wallet blocking the view of his dash camera. His empty fuel tanker is barreling down an Arizona highway at 65 miles an hour when the unthinkable happens. His 10,000-pound 18-wheeler plows right into 3 police cars and 2 fire trucks stopped at an accident scene. In one of those cars, Officer Tim Huffman killed in the violent May 6th crash. Now investigators say this newly released video reveals Espinoza was actually on his phone at the time of the wreck. According to investigators, his cell phone records show he was online looking at Facebook and sites with photographs of several women in provocative positions wearing little clothing. When initially questioned by police, Espinoza said he'd looked away from the road at a passing truck. But see here, there doesn't appear to be any truck. And at the moment of impact, right there, you can see Espinoza's white Galaxy 3 cell phone fly in the air. Police say he intentionally placed his wallet to block the dash camera while he was looking or manipulating his cell phone. Espinoza is now facing 20 felony charges, including second-degree murder. He is pleaded not guilty. In 2011, this truck driver's dash cam caught him talking on the phone before swerving across 4 lanes and into a crushing rollover. And in September, this Florida school bus driver was caught with one hand on the wheel and 2 eyes on her phone. In both of those cases, no one was seriously hurt. But unfortunately, in this case, this dangerous distraction caught on camera turned deadly.
Espinoza told police he never uses his phone while driving because it's against company policy. But authorities say this was not a one-time thing, that cell phone records showed he used his phone to look at X-rated sites, YouTube, also Facebook, while driving in the past. He's due back in court next month. But that video so jarring that if you still do text or peruse pictures in this case, it just might be enough to convince you to stop.
All right, Lindsay, thank you so much.